This is the #1 trick to improve your freestyle technique. Sculling. There's a couple of sculling drills. Now, when you talk about sculling, it's just a simple hand movement. Here's one form of sculling. It'll be in front of my body. All I'm gonna do is like a frosting a cake. I'm gonna lead, pinky lead, thumb lead, pinky lead, thumb lead. I'm not doing this. Watch what happens. I can generate forward motion simply by redirecting the water. Watch. Just by doing that, I'm moving. Another form of sculling, down by my sides. Watch. Another one is from your elbows down, a pressing motion. Sculling, I guess, version #3. Another version. And the last one that I know of, that's the hardest one of all. Normally I'd use a pull buoy, keep my legs up, feet first on your back. This is difficult. Wish me luck. That's a tough one because your legs tend to sink and the water goes up your nose, but a pull buoy keeps your legs up. Sculling, simply redirecting the water, is a great way to start getting a better feel for the water. And you'll then have a much more better sense of when you're actually taking your pull and what you're doing with the water to move your vessel forward, which is what you really want to do. It's not about moving your arms backwards, it's moving your body forward, right? I teach a great Learn to Swim course online. Comment the word swim down below. I'll see a link to the course. Others do lessons. I teach swimming and, I guess, sculling too.